Praise the Lord, children. Welcome to our science class. The first unit is a lesson from physics named Laws of Motion. Laws of motion depend on force, especially. Force is nothing but a pull and a push. You love to pull and push, isn't it, children? Mechanics is the branch of physics that deals with the effect of force on bodies. It is divided into statics and dynamics. Statics is when the body is at rest. Dynamics is when the body is under the action of forces of moving bodies. Now this dynamics is divided into kinematics and kinetics. Kinematics deals with the motion of bodies without considering the cause of motion. Kinetics deals with the motion of bodies considering the cause of motion. So do you understand the difference between kinematics and kinetics? It is without considering and with considering the cause of motion. Force and motion. According to Aristotle, a Greek philosopher and scientist, a moving body naturally comes to rest without external force, and that is called natural motion or force independent motion. He also proposed the push and pull as violent motion or force dependent motion. So he felt that the heavier bodies will fall faster than the light one. This was said by Aristotle. Galileo proposed the concepts on force, motion, and inertia of bodies. Inertia is the state of the body to be in the condition where it is, be it at rest or in uniform motion. That is called inertia. Galileo also said that when bodies of different size, shape, and mass, when dropped from a height in vacuum, fall at the same rate and reach the ground at the same time. But they fall at different rates in air medium. Now, let's try to understand inertia with a small experiment. That is the activity given in your book. You place two glass tumblers and place a cardboard on it and place a coin on it. When you flick the cardboard flies away, leaving the coin inside the tumbler. Here, when force is exerted on the cardboard, it experiences inertia of motion, whereas the coin continues to be in inertia of rest. So, now let's go on to the types of inertia. What are the types of inertia? How can we understand that? There are three types. Inertia of rest is the first one. Inertia of rest is the resistance of a body to change its state of rest. An example is when you vigorously shake the branches of a tree, some of the leaves and fruits are detached and they fall down. This is inertia of rest. The second example or the second type is the inertia of motion. It is the resistance of the body to change its state of motion. So what example can we exactly look into? The example is the example of an athlete. The athlete runs some distance before jumping because this will help him jump longer and higher. This is inertia of motion. The third type is inertia of direction. It is the resistance of a body to change its direction. Now, we'll look into the example. What is the example? When you make a sharp turn while driving a car, you tend to lean sideways. This is called inertia of direction. Hope you understood the three types of inertia clearly.